Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update watchOS 26 to the latest version on Apple Watch Ultra 3. First of all, make sure that both your Apple Watch and iPhone that this Apple Watch is connected to are connected to the internet. So on your Apple Watch, you have to press the side button to open the control center, and then make sure that your device is either connected to the mobile data or to the Wi-Fi network. You can also hold down the Wi-Fi icon to check if it's actually connected to some network. On your phone, also open the control center and check if you are connected. Then open the apps list on your Apple Watch by pressing the digital crown. On the apps list, you're gonna have to find and select settings. And once you open settings menu, you have to scroll to the general section, then tap on it, then find software update right here, and your Apple Watch will automatically start looking for new updates. And if there are any updates available, unlike in my case, then you're going to have an update option right here. Just tap on it to begin the update downloading, and once update is downloaded, you're gonna have to place your Apple Watch on the charger and wait until the update is prepared. Once it's prepared, you're gonna have to simply wait until the watch charges to 50% if it's not yet, and once it charges to 50%, the update will start installing, and it will do everything automatically. Basically, all you're gonna have to do from this step is wait until your device is updated and restarted, and after that the changes will apply. And so basically that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.